You know how in a recent video I shared the beauty products I've purchased 5 times or more, my holy grail products. Well, a lot of you said, Mary, I love these, but my wallet does not. And honestly, that's fair. Some of my favorites are serious investments. So in today's video, I've done the digging for you. I have found more affordable alternatives for each of the holy grails in that video. Products that don't try to copy them as much, but come close in how they work or how they make your skin feel. We are not talking dupes here, because let's be real, the formulas are just not the same. But these are the closest ingredient or performance matches that I could find. So they're targeting the same results or maybe give a similar experience, but they cost a whole lot less. So let's jump in, starting with cleansers. My first holy grail was Bioderma's Sensibio Micellar Water. Now I use this specifically to remove eye makeup before I double cleanse in the evening. The alternative, of course, is Garnier. They sell one of these every 4 seconds, and for good reason. Both of these products use gentle surfactants to lift makeup without stripping the skin. Now, Bioderma has a few extra moisturizing agents, but honestly, the feel and the performance is pretty darn close. You really can't go wrong with Garnier. So the next holy grail was the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. Now, it's already affordable, and it is loaded with ceramides and glycerin, everything dry or sensitive skin needs. So, nothing to change here. Next is my most reordered mist. It's Maysama's Green Rooibos AOX Hydrating Atomizer. Now the alternative I have today is by Greek and Gorgeous. It's their liquid hydration. So liquid hydration is all about calming and barrier support. Now it does contain antioxidants and it has some hydrators and soothing ingredients. It's a good alternative when you're on a budget. Moving on to serums. This is always kind of my favorite space. My first holy grail is also by Maysama. It's the Green Rooibos Pressed Serum. Now y'all know I use this specifically with my LED light therapy because it's clinically shown to boost effectiveness by over 250%. I mean, nothing beats it. I'm not gonna lie. However, if you're looking for antioxidant protection plus some peptides for barrier support, then Upcircle Peptide Serum is a great alternative. It uses niacinamide, peptides, and upcycled antioxidants from coffee to protect and firm the skin. It's eco-conscious, it's smartly formulated, and it has some pretty interesting research results too. Another holy grail serum is the Allies of Skin Multipeptides and GF Advanced Lift. Why are their names so long? I get tongue-tied every time. Another holy grail serum is the Allies of Skin Multipeptides and GF Advanced Lifting Serum. GF stands for growth factors. Now I did a full video on this one. I tested it for 6 weeks and the results were pretty incredible, but it is wildly expensive. So an alternative to this guy, I'm actually going to give you 2. Both of them are by The Ordinary. First is the Multipeptide and Copper Peptide Serum. And then there's also their new GF Serum, which is growth factors at 15%. I use them both. In fact, I'm using the growth factor serum in my morning routine right now. Both of these products are fabulous. So you get the firming peptides and you get the growth factors together at a fraction of the price. Okay, next we move on to the moisturizers. Now, one of the holy grails really was another one by Allies of Skin. It is the Peptides and Antioxidants Advanced Firming Daily Treatment. This is usually what I use when I travel because it's just packed full of all of the good stuff. My alternative is Naturium's Multipeptide Moisturizer. This one's a real gem. It's packed with antioxidants, peptides, hydrators, skin brighteners. I honestly don't know how Naturium does it for the price. In fact, they're so consistent across the entire range. This is a really good product. Now, next up is my guilty pleasure. It is Augustinus Bader's The Rich Cream. This contains their proprietary TFC8 complex, which guides skin rejuvenation. He is pricey, and he's out of bounds for most of us. But my alternative here completely blew my mind the first time I tried it. In fact, I bought another bottle the very next day. It's Extreme Cream by In Beauty Project. Holy cow, this is magical stuff. It has the antioxidants, the peptides, the ceramides, the squalane, and the texture. It is absolutely unreal. Like if you have dry skin, you will love this product. Now, It's not drugstore level cheap. It's still about $55, which in my opinion is incredible. And it's a lot easier to swallow than the $300 botter. But if you want something even more affordable, I need to introduce you to the Intense Hydration Cream from Refer. It is thick, it is rich, it is deeply hydrating. It is perfect for very dry skin. And it's only $26. But if you give them an honest review after 60 days, because they want to know what you think so that it can actually impact how they formulate in the future, they'll give it to you for $9. $9. And it's genuinely good skincare. Like in the winter, this is phenomenal. I don't know how they're doing it for this price either. Okay, next is my Holy Grail eye cream. Now, just for the record, guys, you don't need an eye cream, but I do. So I use them every single day. Now this is also by Allies of Skin. It is the Peptides and Omegas Firming Eye Cream. And I have definitely repurchased this more than any other eye cream ever. But my alternative is also very good. Also by Naturium, it is the Multi-Peptide Eye Cream. Now both of these formulas are loaded with firming peptides and ceramides that help with barrier support. Naturium also has caffeine, which really helps for depuffing if you might need that in the morning. Now, with my dry, mature skin, I have become such a big fan of the face oil. Now, my Holy Grail is True Botanicals Renew Pure Radiance Oil. I have used this for years. I mean, long before this channel, and I still love it. But if you're looking for a budget buy, I am actually a really big fan of Bioma's Hydrating Recovery Oil. It has squalene and 9 antioxidant-rich oils that just deeply, deeply nourish the skin. Now, it's a bit lighter in feel, but it gives the same radiant and restored skin finish. This one actually lives on my nightstand for an extra drench just before I go to sleep. Next up are the body products. Now, I have spoken ad nauseum about the Aveeno After Shower Mist. And while it's a budget buy already, I do know it's not available in the American market. I'm so sorry, guys. So I did want to give an alternative to my friends back home. This is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment Body Spray. Both deliver glycerin-rich, occlusive moisture, but it's all about the spray. This also has sort of an easy mist spray to it. It's perfect for getting to those hard-to-reach areas like your back when you're getting out of the shower. That's when I use it. Now, I haven't tried the Aquaphor yet, but I certainly would if I lived in the US. The next one is another item I've done a whole video about. It is OneSkin's body supplement. This one is entirely unique. They have a peptide that targets senescent cells or zombie cells, and there really isn't any other peptide out there like it. But my suggestion for this type of product is first Firm Ground Retinol Body Lotion. Now, it's not the same technology, but it aims to give similar results. It combines retinol, caffeine, and vitamin E, which is going to smooth, firm, brighten, and it has squalane for hydration. So while OneSkin works on the cellular level, Versed tackles the same goals from another angle. It boosts collagen, it renews texture, and improves elasticity over time. And it's under $20, so it's a great buy. So my next Holy Grail has been the best damn hand product for years. It's Aveda's Hand Relief, and she is perfect, but she can be hard to get. A really good budget buy is by La Roche-Posay. It is the Cicaplast, what do they call it? Soothing Hand Cream. It's thick, it's silky, and it's barrier repairing. It's just a great alternative. And the very last body Holy Grail is totally unsexy, but it totally works. It's O'Keeffe's Healthy Feet. Now, I use this foot cream every day, straight out of the shower, and I'm telling you, it keeps my feet nice and soft. And it's already a budget buy, so go get it. Okay, next up is hair. I'm on a hair journey, folks. And this is one product that I don't think people talk about enough. I never hear people talking about this. It's L'Oreal's Elvive Wonder Water. So it uses lamellar technology, which instantly fills and seals the damaged cuticles for glossy, weightless shine, and it works in seconds. 8 seconds, to be exact. It's already drugstore magic, so no need for an alternative here. Okay, the next one is so super dear to my heart. It is Apres Bond Repair Treatment. Now, Apres is just in a class of its own. It uses a patented bond-building molecule that works on dry hair, which nothing else does. And it's made a huge difference to my menopausal hair. And I'm telling you, I'm never going to be without it. There is no alternative. I'm sorry. I would just save up and use my discount code when you can. That's what I do. The next is another regular feature on my hair wash day, which was today, by the way. Pureology's Color Fanatic Leave-In Spray. Now, I love this because it's lightweight, it conditions my hair, and it acts as a heat protectant. But you know what? There is a pretty good alternative out there. Treseme's One-Step Leave-In and Heat Protectant. It actually works a treat. It's lightweight, it detangles, and it protects from heat. The performance is surprisingly similar. In fact, I'll probably buy this again instead of Pureology next time. Let's just see. And the very last category is makeup. It's a small one. First up is the BFF cream from Trini London. There is really nothing like this product in my opinion. It's part skincare, it's part makeup, but it's not really either of those things. Now it does have encapsulated pigments and it bursts as you blend it in, but the finish, it's just different. I call it my skin blurrer, because that's what it does. It makes me look filtered, like out in the real world. It's the weirdest thing. So this is what I wear when I don't want to wear makeup. It's just beautiful, particularly in the winter because it has an SPF 30 in it. And so there really isn't anything like this in my opinion, but if I had to choose a budget alternative, I'd probably go with the L'Oreal True Match Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. Now this is such a beautiful product. It gives me that fresh, radiant, my skin but better look, and that's from the drugstore. Like, it really is very good. And the very last item here is probably no surprise if you know me at all. It's Maybelline's Baby Lips in the color Cherry Me. This is like a drugstore diamond and they are taking over my house. They're everywhere and they have been for years. I absolutely love this stuff. So guys, that's my roundup of the closest alternatives to my holy grail beauty products. Now some come impressively close and others, well, nothing beats the original. It's just the way it goes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me in your comments, what is your can't live without product? And make sure it's affordable. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I'm recording. Say your mean things.
So that I can't be mean?
Yes.
I would never.